You're getting enough work now, yeah?
Yeah.
Quite a lot.
Like videography stuff,
Yeah.
like filming, quite a bit.
So you're doing it all right for yourself, yeah?
Oh yeah, and then
More than all.
obviously like with like the job, like working in the fitness industry and trying to get, when I get my qualification, I'll sort that out. But yeah, there's a lot, like social media mainly, like the opportunities come like rushing in really.
Yeah.
Like it's so much.
From Instagram you get loads, don't you?
Yeah.
Instagram. It's good then. Do you wish you never had that break and kept on going?
Mate, if I could just like turn back the time, but like I said, there's no point in dwelling. Like in the past, like everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
Well,
So
obviously
your parents.
Asian parents, so like they try to push me, go to school, this and that. But boxing's always been my thing, and when that left, I kind of just felt nothing. Yeah. You lose like the fire, the passion to chase.
Yes, it makes you soft.
Yeah, it does.
It does. It makes you soft.
And that's like what happened all throughout those years. You saw me. I got soft. I got fat. It was like a cuddly teddy bear. But yeah,
you want to go out all the time and do this, don't you?
Yeah, like going
What's
out.
the training set?
To be honest, mate, like I want to focus on my boxing, my career, just like building myself up. It takes a lot of you. It takes a lot out of you, anyway. Yeah.
So you shot this round and go on the speedball, yeah?
Yeah. After this round?
Do it. Southpaw now, yeah? Southpaw.
Been trying, I've been working on everything.
Not bad at it.
Not bad, eh?
You've been working on it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good on it.
You know what? I'm more jab happy and comfortable with my jab when I'm doing something.
Flick with it, is it? People, yeah. How much, so